Okay, after you listen, answer this question. Number one, when will Izuco start building their new car factory? Who will give me the answer of number one? Yes?
Almost immediately.
Almost immediately. Almost immediately. Yes, very good. Excellent. Now, number two. Where exactly will it be built? Where? Yes? Where?
220 kilometers from Cardiff.
Cardiff, yes. 220 kilometers from Cardiff. Okay. Now, number three. When will the factory open? Yes? Yes?
A year from now.
A year from now. Excellent. Very good. Now, number four. We have two parts in number four. A and B. How many jobs will there be at first? Okay. And B, after 4 years. Okay. Now, tell me the four now. Yes? Who will try?
For number A, 700.
700. Okay. B?
B, 2000.
2000. They increase. Okay. Look carefully. Now, we have the last lesson here. Use your notes now. Imagine. Okay. To answer this question, will Cliff ask for a job at this factory? Give reasons. It means it's up to you to answer this question. I hope that this is as assignment and try to answer this question. It's your own answer. Okay. Now we will go to the pupil 2. Okay, pupil 2. If you are John Trim, remember, listen and answer these questions. Write notes. Okay, number one, listen to the answer and try to give the correct answer in these questions. Okay.
And now the time is 6 o'clock. Here is the news. First, the headlines. Hurricane Jane brings death and destruction to the northern Philippines. Izuco, the Japanese car manufacturing company, has decided to build a factory in Wales. And here in London, archaeologists believe they have found the remains of Shakespeare's theatre, the Globe.
Earlier beliefs that Hurricane Jane would devastate Manila, the capital of the Philippines, have now proved to be false. Weathermen had warned that Manila was in the direct path of the hurricane, and the people in the capital were preparing for the worst. Thousands of people left their homes and moved to the safety of higher ground. However, late last night, Hurricane Jane changed its path unexpectedly, hitting the northern part of the country instead. It is reported that 50 people have been killed, 17 people have been injured, and another 17 are still missing. Nearly 5,000 homes have been destroyed, and the damage is estimated at $10 million. The President of the Philippines visited the devastated area this morning to see the extent of the damage. The northern Philippines has been declared a disaster area, and international aid has been requested. Izuco, the Japanese car manufacturing company, has announced its intention to build a factory in Wales. Speaking in Cardiff this afternoon, Mr. Akibo Toshura, manager of the company, said that plans to build the factory were well advanced. A site has been found 20 kilometres from Cardiff, and building work will begin almost immediately. When the factory opens in a year from now, it will begin producing the Izuco Rolo, the company's best-selling small car. At first, there will be jobs for 700 workers. However, Mr. Toshura hopes to build other models from the company's range at a later date. It is estimated that the factory could be employing about 2,000 workers 4 years from now. And finally, an exciting find in southeast London. Archaeologists are almost certain that what they have found 6 metres under the ground is the Globe Theatre, where Shakespeare acted and where at least 12 of his plays were performed. Shakespeare partly owned the theatre, which was built in 1599. It was destroyed by fire in 1613 and rebuilt the following year. It was finally knocked down in 1644, when all plays were banned in England. It is believed that the theatre had between 6 and 24 sides, or might even have been shaped like a circle. So far, only parts of the walls have been found, so it is too early to say what the theatre's exact shape was. And now the weather forecast for the period until dawn tomorrow.